मारू महल्ला पंजवा. In this hymn or song of love, song of Ishq, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking to the Muslims, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji is all love and compassion and humility. He says to the Muslims with most lovingly and compassionately, he says, Allah agam khudai bande. He says, O my dear ones, precious ones, the divine is unapproachable. We cannot reach him. It's him who, by becoming merciful, reveals himself to us. We cannot reach him. And you are, and you know what? He loves you. He created you. And you know that anybody, even humans, if they create anything, they love their creation. And his name is Creator. Imagine how much he loves you. You are his. You are Allah's. Allah loves you. Allah agam khudai bande. Fully focused at the Hirda. Shod khayal duniya ke tande. Easiest way in the world, effortless, nothing is to be done. All there needs to be done is remember him sincerely. Call him sincerely, lovingly. And he appears. Really? Try it. It's not a promise. It is something to be experienced. This is the truth. You call the truth and truth appears. Truth appears. Why I don't feel? Because your consciousness is entangled in the worldly thoughts. Your consciousness is not free to feel him. It doesn't, if you don't feel him, it does not mean that he has not revealed himself. No. He is there, but you can't see him because you are blind. He is there. It cannot happen that we call him lovingly and he doesn't come. No matter what we have done in the past. It's the simplest thing in the world. Nothing could be simpler. Those who are seekers of the truth, they know the nature of the truth. Those who are true seekers of the truth, they know the nature of the truth. Nothing is needed. No volume of knowledge is needed. Nothing is needed. Maybe you don't know that you are God. Otherwise, being God, and you come running to anybody and everybody, whosoever calls you lovingly. How innocent you are. How innocent you are. It's me who is uninnocent. That's why I don't feel the innocent. Just forget about the world, forget about the entanglements. Come here. Feel him. Shod ख्याल दुनिया के तंदे, दुनिया के तंदे हुए पैखाक फकीर, हुए पैखाक फकीर मुसाफिर. Become the dust. Become the dust of the feet of his devotees. He said, become the dust of the feet of his devotees. Become the dust of the feet of those who love him. Can you be that vast? No small person can ever even think of becoming the dust of the feet of others, let alone to be the dust. Our ego, this is right, this is wrong, this is for me, this is not for me. This is not our soul, this is our naked ego. Can you become that big that you become the dust of the feet of others? Means what? That let go of the thought that you are something important. Please understand this. He says, if you become free of this thought that you are something, then what would be left behind is real you, and that is God. Utter humility. हुए पैखाक फकीर मुसाफिर. He says, recognize that you are a traveler here on this planet. You are not going to be allowed to stay here for long. You have to take the flight, the next flight, in few days, few weeks, few years. And you are here to recognize that who am I? He says, God created you and said, let's go to the world. I want you to see the show. It's a show. It's a play. And you have come and started believing I'm something. I am something. If others don't agree with me, I don't like them. Does it make sense? Does everybody have to agree with you? It's your ego. Your ego. You have to agree with me. If you don't like what I do, I don't like what you do. What is the truth there? What is the seeking of truth? Sach kithe hai? Please, we are nothing. Those who have recognized that I am nothing, they have become fearless. they have become beautiful. Jai puchha suhagni, tusi paya kini guni. Maharaji says those who are in love with him, they are totally careless about the world. Hue pe khak fakir musafir, ih darwesh kabul dara. If you recognize that you are not really something big, you are not really somebody important, the world is going to keep running without you. And you recognize that you are a traveler here, and recognize who created you, and know why you are here, then he would embrace you, accept you. He would show you that this is just a show. Sach nivaj yakin masalla. Maharaji says that make the truth your namaz, your prayer. Make the truth your prayer. He says, make the truth your prayer. If you feel Allah, then your prayer has been accepted. And you know what? It is up to you whether your prayer becomes accepted or not. Because if you are sincere and humble in calling him, then he most certainly. Sach nivaj yakin musalla. Yakin musalla. Become totally convinced that your prayer mat, that is the spot where you are sitting, that is the spot where God is going to come and meet you. Are you there? Are you fully there where you are sitting? Are you humble? Are you sincere? Are you the seeker? It says, remain convinced that where you are sitting, that is where God is going to appear. But if you are somewhere else, Anandji, please come where we are sitting and feel him. How beautiful is life. How beautiful is life. How simple, royal, splendid the path. Sach nivaj yakin musalla. Sach nivaj yakin musalla. Sach nivaj